Welcome to the channel. This is the family channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook some ribs, and yeah, these are baby back pork ribs. So it's my first cooking video on this channel. So got these ribs, gonna cook them, and yeah. So first things first, obviously take them out of the package, and then there's a membrane on the back here. So you're gonna take your knife and you're gonna get it started. And the easiest way to do it is get a paper towel. And once you get a little lip like this, grab this paper towel and start pulling. So you just see that coming off there. That's that membrane. And pulling this off, makes them get less of a bite, you know. I mean, this stuff is like just thick, like I can't even pull this stuff apart, so you really don't want to eat that. I mean, if you're looking more of like a tender, fall off the bone, definitely take this off. If you want more of like a bite and pull, you could leave it on, but I always just take it off. So get that out of the way, and then grab another paper towel or two, and we're just gonna kind of pat dry these off. Pat dry them off, and you can use a binder, mustard, whatever, mayonnaise. I've done mayonnaise. I haven't seen many people do that, but mayonnaise is pretty good. We're just gonna go real simple, sweet, easy. You know, not many people have time these days to spend hours cooking dinner or whatever, but I'll pat these off and grab another one. All nice and dry. And then today we're going to be using some Rural King sweet rib rub. The good thing about Rural King is they have a ton of seasonings, and they're like half the price of like your local grocery store or wherever you guys like your Schnucks or whatever. These are like $5, so you can't beat it. It's 10 ounces. It's it smells sweet and just all around good. You can tell there's probably some brown sugar in it. Sugar, salt, paprika, garlic powder, and natural smoke flavors. So here it is right here. Kind of pat mine in. You can rub it, whatever. But this is how I do mine. I'm gonna flip it over and do the back side. All right, we got it all seasoned up. I'm gonna flip this over. Now's a good time to go fire up your smoker or grill. You're gonna wanna let this sit just like this for like 5-10 minutes. You'll see the seasoning start pull the juices out and I guess kind of sweat, but yeah, I'm gonna go fire my smoker up and go from there. All right, I got the smoker all fired up. Today we're working with pellet smoker. It's made by Pitboss. It's the 1150 Pro series, but here are the ribs. They've been sitting about 5-10 minutes. You can start seeing them sweat. You see that moisture come out and got a nice red color already from that Rural King seasoning. So yeah, I'm gonna throw these on. Got this thing turned on 270, so we're gonna kind of do more of a hotter cook. So Got them all set up, and yeah, I'm gonna let them sit for about an hour and come check them then. All right, it's been an hour, so let's go ahead and check these things. Open it up. Oh yeah, let's give them a quick temp. Look at that little 140, 45. Pretty even all around. So now I'm going to got some sweet heat bread and butter pickles. So I got the juice here. This stuff is pretty much good on any barbecue. If you spritz this on, brush it on like I'm doing, you'd be shocked how much this really does. Dab it on. Use this on pork butts, my ribs, tenderloin, stuff like that. Gives it really awesome flavor. So get that all on there, and going to check it in probably about 30 minutes. I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. Go ahead and give them a temp. 160. Perfect. So these are 160. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna cut these in half. Just so they fit in the pan. If you don't have a pan, just use some foil. Look at that. Beautiful. Throwing these in here. And since we're making fall off the bone ribs, we want to get to about 200-ish. That's when they'll really break down. So got some sweet and spicy baby rays. You can't go wrong. I don't like a ton of sauce on my ribs, so do what you like. A little bit of that, and watch this. The rest of that pickle juice. All that acidic pickle juice. Help render this stuff down. Give it a quick little brush. Like I said, these are hot, quick, easy ribs. Probably about 2 hours, 2.5 hours tops. You'll be eating. As soon as you get home from work, just usually throw something on this smoker and do what I gotta do. And a couple hours later, bam, dinner's ready. So got that all nice and sauced up. Grab a little bit of foil. Yeah, just enough. Cover them up, and throw that in there. Check back in about another 30. Like I said, we're looking for that 200, 205. It should really kind of fall off the bone then. So see you guys then. Oh yeah. If you guys like this rib video, I literally just did a catch and cook on my other channel. I'll link that down below. It's B3 Boys. I do fishing, and yesterday I just caught this catfish, a couple catfish, and just fried them up right here outside. Some Andy seasoning. So yeah, if you guys like this stuff or like the catch and cook stuff, just peep over there and be doing some more of that stuff. If you like fishing, you like cars, anything like that, head on over. All right, guys, it's been about an hour. Check them at 30, they weren't done. 203. butter going in. See that? Look. It goes in like that. They're gonna fall off the bone. So let's get these off of here. Alright, just pull these off the smoker. They've been sitting for about 5 to 10 minutes, so I'm resting a little bit. See if these bones will pull on out. Look at the color of them now. They look very nice. Oh yeah, look at this. They are done. Look at that. Nice clean bone, bro. That's what you want. I always present them like this too. Like the bone right next to them. People be like, dang. Alright, I'm gonna cut these just cause. Show you the pull outside, and then some people like to eat them off the bone. I got you. Because the wife likes them off the bone. You get here, get on these over here. You like them on the bone, get here. Like I said, I don't like mine very saucy, but look how juicy that is. Can't beat that. Look at that. He's pulled off the bone. Very good. Very hot still. Look at the color of that though. Steam and everything coming off of it. See, you can get them fall off the bone. You can get that bite still. One rack of ribs, $10 thing of ribs. Got them at all these. Look at that, just peels right off. Look at clean bone. Look at that. No bones. Pulls right apart. Wow. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this first little cooking video. I'm gonna get to these, and yeah, I'm just gonna take the whole tray. So catch you guys on the next one. See you.